Are you ready to kickstart your career in real estate? Whether you want to help people buy or sell, or you want to invest in real estate yourself, or both, getting your license is the first step. So I'm going to walk you through how to do that in California. California requires that you take 135 hours of classes, broken down into real estate principles, practice, and finance. And these days, most of everything is done online. Now, you can still take the classes in person, but obviously it's easier to just do it online so you can learn at your own time. Now, you can't just take 135 hours in one sitting. It's spaced out, and that's because they want you to absorb the information. Now, caveat, a lot of this information you're gonna know and then immediately forget about once you start practicing real estate. It's a lot of vocabulary and things which don't necessarily apply to the day-to-day of selling real estate, but it's good to know this stuff. Online classes are a few $100s. You can pay more for stuff like study guides and flashcards, which I recommend because most of the stuff that you're gonna find on the test is vocabulary. So know your stuff going in there. Once you take the test, you can find out right away whether you passed, and then you get your license in a few weeks. It's not that long of a process, and actually getting it is not that difficult if you're just willing to study. Now, of course, the next step once you get your license is hanging it with a broker, which I will explain in my next video.